Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. And so right now, let me mute my computer. So right now, we're going to be unboxing Xenon from Sword Art Online. I'll dim the light. So yeah, Xenon from Sword Art Online. Alright, let's get straight into her. I've been waiting for her for a while. Asuna already came, but she's a fake because her hair always falls out. And so here it is. Well, here she is. Okay, so let's get this first one out. That's in the back. It's kind of taped, but that doesn't matter. So first off, we have her sniper. This thing looks pretty sweet. All of her stock. We need her stock for her sniper. So yeah, it's 10 o'clock in the morning right now. The power went out last night. There was a power surge. The internet's not working, and my parents called the place. They said it's not gonna work until 2 o'clock. But we're fine until then. Life without internet's hard. It sucks. I think I got it. This is hard. And it's weird. I don't know how to work it. Well, anyways. Here's her sniper rifle. It looks pretty nice. That's a sniper. Alright, I'll be right back. Oh no, her hair fell off. And here we have her, ladies and gents, Xenon. She looks pretty good. They did a really good job on the paint.
We'll have cereal for breakfast.
So yeah, I don't mind my dad. He's just asking what's for breakfast. So yeah, this is her. They did pretty nice paint job on the hair. I'd say it kind of gets crappy, like on her gunmetal parts right there. But otherwise, it's really great. Everything looks really great. Her jacket is good. It's like flexible. She's wearing pilgrim shoes. That's fine, but still, we don't allow pilgrim shoes. So yeah, I already have that. And then get this other side open. I'll do the other unboxing of Kirito. As you can see him in the background. I gotta open this one. Turns out it was actually easier than I thought. So yeah, she has lots of weapons. She seems to have some kind of Glock with a here, I'm just gonna fix my camera stand. Okay. And it's stuck. So yeah, it seems we have her pistol. It looks like a Glock, but I'm not sure what. And then it has an extended mag. And then in here, we have this, which can clip onto the we have this, the firing, which can clip onto the front. I can get it on. And bam, looks like she's shooting. I will definitely be using this in a lot of my animations. And then we have her faces. I don't really want to show them because I can't right now. It's too hard. We have all her hands and stuff, and a lot of them seem to have come loose. So yeah. This is the unboxing of Xenon. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. So I will see you guys later. Bye bye.